Hey guys, this is like a very quick video for the Roborock QR798, what you can actually expect from the product if you want to actually buy it. So first of all, you got great strong suction power, 10,000 PA, so that's very good. So that's good. You got also privacy focused design, so this is very important. Regards the privacy, you don't have RGB camera. Yes, that can be also a con. Uses LiDAR, structured light navigation, no remote viewing, home monitoring features. So primarily of the security, this can be like very important. Then also anti-tangle system, you got dual rotating mobs, 30 water flow levels, a great large dock capacity, good coverage, so that's great. And also relatively quiet, 64 dB operation. But very important, you don't have built-in voice assistant. Of course, like if you're looking for camera, it doesn't have camera. That's very important too. Also, it got 6 hours to fully charge. Maybe that's going to be important too. So that's something to be aware of. And it got only 330 milliliter dustbin and 80 milliliter water tank on the robot itself. So you don't have, it's kind of like small onboard tanks. Be aware of it. And it doesn't have this kind of like advanced AI obstacle recognition. So that's pretty much it. I just want to make this like clear and effective video for you, what you can expect from the product. And thank you very much guys for watching, and have a great day and goodbye.